Let A be a matrix A, B, C, D. Then its determinant can be found by multiplying A, D minus C, B. And now let the B matrix be W, X, Y, Z. So the determinant of B will be W, Z minus Y, X. To find the determinant of AB, we need to first multiply the matrix A with the matrix B. And this will be done by multiplying the first row, AB, with the first column, WY. That is to say that we'll multiply A with the W and add it to B multiplied by Y. And we do this for all of them. So we'll do now AB with XZ. And now we'll do the row CD with the first row WY. And lastly, the second row with the last column. So now to find the determinant of AB, we will need to multiply that AW plus BY with CX plus DZ, and then we're going to take away CWDY AXBZ. We now need to multiply these two brackets, and we can do that using what we call a FOIL law. And we'll continue by multiplying these two brackets and taking it away on the next line. And you might be surprised to see that some of them actually are identical terms. For instance, have a look at AWCX. That's the same as here, except A is here, W, C, X. The letters are just rearranged. So it would be safe to say that we could delete them. I can also identify BYDZ, which is written here as DYBZ. So they also can be cancelled out. And we're left with, so these are our four terms for determinant AB. Will this be the same if we multiply determinant A times determinant B? From above, we know that the determinant is AD minus CB, and we know that the determinant of B is WZ minus YX. If we multiply these together, we'll get the following four terms. Now, are they the same as determinant AB? So I will rewrite them again, ADWZ, and then I will follow it up by the last one and plus it with a CBYX, and then I'll do minus ADYX minus CBWZ. And just by rearranging the letters in this term to the ones above, I can get AWDZ, which is the same as above. And also I can rearrange these letters to BYCX, and now that's the same as above. And I can do the same thing here and rearrange it to CWBZ, followed by DYAX. So we have proved that determinant AB is equal to the determinant of A multiplied by the determinant of B.